Hey Goddess Babes, welcome where every video is an adventure waiting to unfold. From stunning nail tutorials and beauty hauls to story times that span from side-splitting comedies to heartwarming romances and gripping dramas, there's something here for every mood. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to be entertained, inspired, and enchanted one story at a time. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to join the adventure and never miss a moment.
Ethan Bennett was the guy everyone forgot about. Just an average 23-year-old working part-time at a local coffee shop while trying to finish his degree in business. He had big dreams, sure, but nothing seemed to work out for him. His side hustle selling quirky t-shirts online? Flopped. That one time he tried making an app? Total disaster. It was like the universe was laughing at him, but Ethan had one secret passion: puzzles. He could spend hours solving them, from Sudoku to the most complex brain teasers. His apartment was littered with crossword books, jigsaw puzzles, and Rubik's cubes. He even had a notebook filled with random riddles he had created, though no one cared about those. Until one day, someone did. It all started with a late-night coffee order. Ethan was working the closing shift when a frazzled-looking tech billionaire, Logan Mercer, walked in, mumbling to himself about some major coding problem his company couldn't solve. Logan had been hiring experts from all over the world, but no one could crack the code, and his entire company's next big project was on the line.
Ethan, half joking, leaned over the counter and said, "Well, if you need a puzzle solved, I'm your guy." Logan, desperate and sleep-deprived, took him up on it. He handed Ethan a napkin with a complex algorithm sketched on it, thinking it was a long shot.
To Logan's surprise, Ethan studied the napkin for a few minutes, then grabbed a pen and started scribbling. 10 minutes later, he handed the napkin back with the solution. This is it," Logan stammered, staring at the napkin in disbelief. "How did you—" Ethan just shrugged. "I don't know. I like puzzles." Within a week, Ethan was offered a job at Logan's company with an insane salary. Within 6 months, he wasn't just solving problems. He was creating solutions that no one else could even dream of. His knack for puzzles turned into a revolutionary approach to coding, and suddenly, everyone in Silicon Valley wanted a piece of him. The media couldn't get enough of the story. The broke barista turned tech genius. Headlines screamed, "Boy becomes a billionaire." Ethan found himself on magazine covers, invited to speak at conferences, and interviewed on every major talk show. He was still the same awkward guy who couldn't hold a conversation without mentioning Sudoku, but now he was sitting on top of a billion-dollar empire. But as Ethan's bank account grew, so did the complications. Suddenly, everyone wanted something from him: old friends, distant relatives, people who barely acknowledged his existence before. Even his romantic life took a bizarre turn when Cassie, his high school crush, slid into his DMs, pretending she had always been interested. Despite all the newfound fame and fortune, Ethan remained the same goofy guy. He still wore his old flannel shirts, still spent his weekends working on jigsaw puzzles, and still had a crush on his coworker Maya, the only person who never treated him differently even after his rise to fame. But there was one final twist to Ethan's story. Just when he thought he had it all, a mysterious email arrived in his inbox. An anonymous sender with a puzzle so complex, so mind-bending, that even Ethan couldn't solve it at first glance. The stakes? A hidden fortune that made his billions look like pocket change. And this time, it wasn't just about solving a puzzle. It was about outsmarting some of the most powerful people in the world. As Ethan sat in his billion-dollar office, staring at the cryptic message on his screen, he couldn't help but grin. Well, this is gonna be fun. Thanks for joining me on today's adventure. I hope you enjoyed the nail tutorial, beauty haul, story time. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel so you never miss a new video. There's always something exciting on the way, so stay tuned. And until next time, Goddess Babes.